seo Gustav. Bhí sé mar cuid de thuirgnamh san Astráil a chuaigh amú, agus mar thoir sin chail sé a roiach, anis tá díobtas mhaith. Is cuir de maithe é Gustav le?
Giovanni!
Is blachtar a cáilú é Giovanni atá ag gobar chun réiteacha áil ar gúnmharacha. Sin í leanán Giovanni, Michelle, tá sé go mór in rála. Cuireadh Oliver Bindi ón tuirgnamh Austrálach chun Gustav a aimsiú agus a mharú, agus siad é
What that loan on? Ralum! Good mugger. Yeah.
An bhfuil tú tóir éis clustal faoin Dunfield déanaí.
Neil, cé ceapan tú a rinne é?
Níos agam. Well, is fearr dom amach feicfí mé hiú níos déanaí.
Sloan.
Slán.
Go leiscéil, an fad fó baine a Hubertum?
Ein fó?
Crap mágad.
An seo. Good mugger.
You help me get into the bathrooms.
Tá sé seo an románsú nach bhfuil
Tá Michelle, an bhfuil bhusfaí tú mé.
tá
Tá Brunner. Caithfí mé amacht. Tá córbéil aimsithe. Brunner.
ní bheidh cuam ort fuma ach dá fáid mé bás.
Sean Topsia, Vermilla Smith.
Tá sé marth.
Yep. Yeah, it's me. No, I'm okay. No. No, he beat me.
Neil! Neil!
Sean Tarman, Gilbrew Allen.
What will on bins? Shop, just shop. Shop. Boogly. We are char down and it's on the board.
Stop. Conas is ye for ye, she a yenaf.
Fishe Coney Dom.
Toshe should lahai Michelle.
It's larger on grow.
Hello? Yeah. Nah, you won't believe this. The serum, it's worked.
You don't need money when you're famous. They give you whatever you want gratis. Such as a pair of new shoes with matching laces.
Evening back.
We just keep it going, it's fine. Just keep it rolling.
A personal puss on a wooden nickel. Look at me, I'm the king of New York.
Oh shit, wait one second.
It's my city, I'm the king.
Go on.
My very own bed and he tortures.
A barbershop haircut costs a quarter. Regular beat for the Star Reporter. And spray punk.
Not that big.
New York.
I'm the king of New
Okay, let's go.
Mancho and noodles, Polish poodles. Almost about to drown in the drink.
When your business out and drown us in ink.
So let's get drunk. Off with liquor, fame works quicker when you're king and New
I gotta be either dead or dream. Just look at that paper with my face feeling. Tomorrow they make I was a star for one moment.
Action.
What loud? Oh, what a load of. Yeah, for mine now. Action.
You went for dead.